Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup eye look for you guys today. So if you want to see how I achieved this super simple and cranberry eye look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I definitely feel like this is one of my favorite eye looks that I've done thus far. And I love a really defined crease and a really smoky liner on the top lash line. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved that. But if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So jumping right into the tutorial, first thing I did was prime my lids. And I like to use concealer and then set it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using the Futurism 3 by Kaleidos. I'll leave the name of this palette down below. But this has to be a newer brand. I've never heard of them. They reached out to me and they wanted to send me product. And the PR box was absolutely stunning. You see like how cool the design is on this palette. Every single palette that they have has a very unique artistic design, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the packaging of all of their products. This is not sponsored. I just decided to use it. I saw it and I knew that I wanted to try it out for you guys. So first thing I'm doing is going into the lightest transition color, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this into my crease. And this is a super cool toned color, so I'm mixing cool toned with warm tones. And I kind of like mixing cool tones and warm tones together. It's very unconventional, I feel. Either you stick to one or the other. But yeah, I just buffed that color into my crease, kind of doing a rounded crease. And then I'm going into the darker gray shade, and I'm just applying this all over my lid. I want a very matte lid, so I'm just kind of packing that all over the lid. It's a little bit darker than the first shade we used, but it's still a very similar shade, so they both blended together very easily. And then after I'm done doing that, I just went back into my big fluffy brush and I'm blending that lid shade to that crease shade. And then I'm going into an angled brush and I'm going into this bright pink magenta cranberry shade. And we're just going to start to apply this to the outer crease, and I'm just drawing this line of definition above my natural crease, and I'm just focusing this on that outer edge of the crease, not really going all the way in. And I'm focusing that, like I said, on the outer edge, so making it most pigmented on that outer corner. And then I went ahead and I picked up this really small tapered brush, and I'm literally just going in left and right motions, blending over top of it and just keeping it super low. And then I definitely felt like I wanted some more pigment, so I'm going back into that same shade with this angled brush, reapplying it to that outer corner, and also this time applying it to my lash line. And this is definitely a very dramatic V, outer V, but I think that it looks stunning on the eyes. If it's well executed, it looks super cool. So I'm just really packing that color on there, and then I'm going into my small tapered brush and with some more of that same exact eyeshadow, and I'm literally going really softly left and right motions over top. And I don't want to take away the pigment, but I want to kind of diffuse it and make it look a little bit softer. So I'm literally just going directly over top of those two lines that we just drew. And then after that, that's pretty much it for the eye look. For the top crease, I'm just going into the first fluffy shade and the first shade, just really diffusing that upper crease, making sure that it's super blended. And then I'm just going to peel off my tape, and the top eyeshadow is done. And for lashes today, I'm going to use my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes. Our Black Friday sale is live on the website, so if you guys want to take advantage of our biggest sale of the year, link will be in the description box down below. And then I'm going into my Urban Decay Double Life eyeliner and just popping that into my waterline, which is one of my favorite liners at the moment. And then I'm just going into the first transition color, applying that to my lower lashes. And then going back into that darker magenta shade, with an angled brush, and I'm just going to be applying that to the outer corner. And then I blended the two together with a smudger brush, and then for mascara I went into my Madlash mascara by The Balm and I just coated my lower lashes. And the last step for this look, I just went into my Pop Beauty Gilded Light Highlighter and I'm just applying that to my inner corner. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. If you watched this video to the very end, thank you so much for supporting our channel. And yeah, thank you so much for all of the sweet comments that all of you guys leave. I love reading them. It literally makes my day every single time that I go down to the comment section and I read every single one of them. But yeah, we are still doing our daily uploads, so definitely check out our channel every single day for a new tutorial. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!